Alright guys, we're on a 2014 Kia Cadenza. We're going to be doing a spare procs. Their original has seen better days, so got our brand new on here. And their original. We'll go ahead and pull the pin code and program. All right, there's our pin code, 112080. All right, let's go ahead and program. Yes, we're going to use that pin code. Ignition is off. Start button you can see is not illuminated. I'll close the door again. All right, we're going to take our original, put it to the start button, press it in, release it, and hold it in front after we hit OK. All right, that one. Let's see if we can see where the light is. I'm going to do this again and see if we can see where the light is on the dash, the security light. It was right in there. So we're good. All right, no, we don't want to do another one. Okay, go ahead and back out. All right, there we are. 2014 Kia Cadenza spare procs brought to you by Advanced Diagnostics.